jamani.
Who's going to lead? What did you say?
This summit has been convened urgently to discuss the deteriorating security situation in Eastern DRC. It is a situation that requires urgent intervention and our collective efforts to restore normalcy and ensure security of the SADC mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo, SAMI DRC, the FRDC, and the civilians in the area of operation. First,
while we pause to mourn our loss, our resolve to ensure collective security cannot be shaken. The importance of dialogue and peace building for the benefit of the people of the Eastern DRC must be boldly pursued.